Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is a unique and important body of water located between Europe and Asia. It is the largest inland body of water in the world, with a surface area of about 143,000 square miles, 371,000 square kilometers. The sea is bordered by 5 countries: Russia to the north, Kazakhstan to the northwest, Turkmenistan to the northeast, Iran to the south, and Azerbaijan to the west. The sea has a rich history and a complex legal status that reflects the interests of the countries that surround it. The Caspian Sea is an ancient body of water, dating back millions of years. It is believed to have been formed as a result of the collision between the Eurasian and Indian tectonic plates. The sea is fed by several rivers, including the Volga, Ural, and Kara, and has no natural outlet to the ocean. The lack of an outlet means that the sea's salinity is higher than that of most other bodies of water. The sea is also subject to seasonal fluctuations in water level, with the level dropping significantly in the summer and rising again in the winter. The Caspian Sea is known for its unique ecosystem, which includes over 130 species of fish, many of which are found nowhere else in the world. The most famous of these is the Caspian sturgeon, which is prized for its caviar. Unfortunately, overfishing and habitat destruction have led to a decline in fish populations in the sea. Pollution from oil drilling and other human activities has also had a negative impact on the sea's ecosystem. The region surrounding the Caspian Sea is rich in natural resources, including oil and gas. The sea itself is estimated to hold as much as 20% of the world's oil reserves, and countries in the region have been extracting oil and gas from the sea for decades. The discovery of oil in the region in the late 19th century led to the development of the modern oil industry, which has had a significant impact on the economies and politics of the countries in the region. The Caspian Sea has a complex legal status, with different countries claiming different portions of the sea as their own. For many years, the status of the sea was the subject of dispute among the countries that surround it. The main issue was how to divide the sea and its resources among the countries. Some countries, such as Russia and Iran, favored a division based on the principle of a median line, which would divide the sea into equal portions. Other countries, such as Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan, favored a division based on the principle of a sectoral division, which would give each country a larger share of the sea based on the length of their coastline. In 2018, the 5 bordering countries reached an agreement on the legal status of the sea, which included dividing the sea into territorial waters, a common fishing zone, and a joint development zone. The agreement addressed many of the issues that had been the subject of dispute for many years. Under the agreement, each country was granted territorial waters extending 15 nautical miles from their coastline. Beyond the territorial waters, there is a common fishing zone where all 5 countries have equal rights to fish. The agreement also established a joint development zone in the middle of the sea, where the countries will work together to develop the oil and gas resources in the sea. The agreement also addressed issues related to the environment and the conservation of the sea's unique ecosystem. The countries agreed to take measures to protect the sea from pollution and overfishing. They also agreed to work together to conserve the sea's biodiversity and to promote sustainable development in the region. Overall, the Caspian Sea is a significant body of water with a rich history and complex geopolitical issues. It continues to